Today, me and Kristina would like to show you another very important secret about cha-cha-cha, which we want you to remember, practice, and dance. Let's get started. So what we would like to think for you, as you know, the basic walk of cha-cha is walk, walk, lockstep. So you all know this. So basically we're walking forward. Walk, we have another. Walk, we have another. Cha, cha, cha. So walk, walk, lockstep. But what we would like for you to focus on is instead of just simply walking forward, but really accentuate a hip twist for the every possible way. So let's say if we have walk, walk, then lockstep, it's a total 5 walks. Let's see how many hip twists we can put in there. So at the very beginning, when we start, we already can start with the massive hip action before we walk. Then walk again. Then we have to do another hip twist. Walk. Then we can one more hip twist. So in 2 walks, we already did 3 hip twists. And then from here, we do lockstep, 4 and 1. And at the end of the lockstep, instead of finishing just in a beautiful forward walk, we're going to hit with another hip twist. And then count for cha-cha, therefore, will change. So we, instead of encourage you, we'd like to encourage you, instead of counting 2, 3, 4, and 1, we'd like to ask you to count A2, A3, A4, and 1, A, where A will be a hip twist. And let's say for the ladies and men, exactly the same technique. But the girls, if you're wearing a beautiful skirt, you can make it fly on count A. That's going to be really, really incredible. We're going to do it a little bit incorrect. We're going to stop on every twist just to show you. And later we'll give you details how to do it when we walk. Okay, so let's do it. So we're going to go A, walk, A, walk, A, cha, cha, lock, A. Very good. So now, once we tried this forward, I would like to do it exactly the same diagonally, so you can see from every corner our hip twist. A, walk, A, walk, A, 4 and 1. Okay, so now, why I say we did it a little bit wrong on purpose? Because when you do hip twist, when you travel forward, as you know, guys, you cannot just stop in this beautiful position and be still. Because, you know, body in flight, I'll demonstrate on Kristina. So this is her spine, beautiful body weight, has to always continue moving. So as you're going to do your hip twist, in effect, you're going to be already stepping to another step. So the hip twist is going to be something which is in transition. But when you do hip twist and stop, that's what we call more delay walk, where the spine actually slow down or stop. So now we're going to do a little bit more correct way. We're going to try to produce hip twist, but same time we're going to continue moving forward with the spine forward. So let's see it. A walk, a cha, 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 a walk. Very good. Now, for the man and woman, what is the differences? The difference is that the girls have a little bit more opportunity to dance it, to dance hip twist, dance amazing twist. But for the man, your main task to assist girl, make it for her easy and comfortable. And sometimes you can time it and lead it. But at the beginning, try to make it easy and comfortable. So how to do it? So basically, like if I would like to ask Kristina to do beautiful hip twist, every walk she takes, I give her arms with my palms out, and she'll put arms here. And we want to have a feeling like she's almost trying to lift herself through the table this way. And now as she sends her leg back, I will encourage every hip twist with my body in her body. So, walk, a, cha, 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 walk, a, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. So the number one goal for you guys to understand that every walk you want to do as a twisting action. And for the guys, when you lead, make it comfortable for the girl to do those twists. And of course, do it yourself. Okay, so practice this and see you on our next lesson.